Will this thing fit in our shop? Today we're about to find out. They don't come with a 2-row option. Jeez, kind of comfy in here. There's no key. I think it's on now. Press check mark to proceed. I think I'm getting somewhere now. It's got 2 handles. Red button. This is what I'm looking at. Huh?
Just pick it up.
Do you want to pick it up? I'll just be in here. You almost had it. You almost had it.
I thought it was close. I'll try it again.
Yeah, give it another shot. It did move. It did move a little bit.
You think so?
Yeah. Warning. 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 Oh. Explosion hazard. This didn't really help at all. This side right here looks like more dirty than the right side. So this one is probably the main controller, I'm guessing. Dang, that's loud. I thought it would be like the crane game at Dave & Buster's. It's child-proof?
So I'm on a Caterpillar 320.
Show me how to get into the service menu.
Great cat excavator. This one is a 320, and you can't move anything until you lock it out.
But it shouldn't be on the
Once that door comes up, it's fully operational, and now
That means it's good. You made it look so easy.